Because one of the things we haven't discussed is what Zishe would say when he was performing in front of a Jewish audience. As he's wrapping the bars around his arms, he's talking about anti-Semites. And he said, let them come to me. I will take care of them. And he takes a horseshoe in his hand. And he said, and if I meet them, and he pulls the horseshoe apart, and he says, I'll break them like a match. And with this, this one account that I had in this Jewish folk hero said that these tailors who were in the audience seeing him perform in Brooklyn, all of a sudden stood up a little stronger and felt a little more like they had something they didn't have before by seeing him. And I often wondered, you know, he died in 1925. What would happen if he didn't? And he was alive as the war started to progress and maybe either resisted there or went to England and broadcast about Jews to become strong and what would have happened then? But he was snuffed out too early.